Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology. Today I will show you how to use your picture as a WhatsApp sticker. So let's jump into the video. So open the app first and click on plus button. Again click on plus button and choose the photo. Here I'm using the pic of Tom Cruise. Now select the area to use for edit. Then click on crop. So there are two ways to do it. If you click on automatically, it will cut the background perfectly, and if you use it manually by using your fingers, it will be a bit difficult, but if you are perfect in it, then use your finger. Otherwise I will prefer you to do it with automatically. After doing that, click on next, and if you want to cut it more, then you can do it here as well. After that, once you are finished here, then click on save and give it a name and press OK, and click on add to WhatsApp, add, and here it's added in your WhatsApp, and go and check out your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.